Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create website hyperlink in PDF document. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Go to your browser and in search bar type Canva. As you know, Canva is a largest designing site and you can design templates, cards, poster, video, social media post, many things in Canva. Okay, now I'm going to open Canva. You can create an account in Canva. It's free. You can create account using your Facebook or Google account. Very simple way to create account in Canva. Now just click on create a design and you will find an option here, import file. Now click on import file. Now you need to select the PDF file where you want to create website hyperlink. Okay, now I'm selecting a PDF file and click on open and importing your files, and you will find an option. Click on this, click here to view, or you can click on project here and you will find your uploaded file is here. Now click on your uploaded file. Another tab will be opened. You can edit your PDF here also. Now, if you want, you can maximize your document. Just make it, I'm making the 60% or 65% as you wish. Okay. So now you have to select text or image where you want to add your website hyperlink. Now I'm going to copy my website link. I will add my Facebook page website link. Just select and copy the link from here. And now here you can select your text or you can select your image where you want to add your website hyperlink. I'm going to select my name here and right click on selected text, and you will find an option here, link. Just click on link and just paste your link here. Okay, the link has been pasted, and now click on done. Okay, the website hyperlink has been added. Now you need to click on share to download your document and scroll down and click on download. And now by default, the file type is PNG selected. Click on the drop down menu and select the PDF standard as my original file was the PDF file. Okay, now click on download. The file is downloading. The download has been completed. Now open the document location This is the file I have downloaded now. I'm going to open the file. Right click on the file and click on open. And the file has been opened. Now look here, a link has been created. But other nowhere any link you will found. Okay, but here you will find a link. And now click on the link. Look, the Facebook page has been opened here. This is the simplest way to create website hyperlink in a PDF document. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.